Welcome everybody to week 2 of me trying to grow a garden. As I promised, here are the updates. I don't know how I forgot to add some hot peppers in my garden because I love hot peppers. But anyway, on the side there, I added some jalapeno peppers and also some cayenne peppers right there. So here's the list of what I have in the garden. The first line here are my cantaloupes. Now, only one seed decided to grow. I'm not sure why. It was raining very hard this morning. That's the reason why you see the plants as dirty as they are. The second line here, these are my beets. They are growing, but not as much as I expected them to. But they are better than the cantaloupes. So the whole line right here are the beets, and that's basically me cleaning around them. The third line are my tomatoes. Now, the tomatoes are fine. They are growing according to the way they're actually supposed to. So I have no complaints at all about them. Next are the carrots. For me, they're growing fine. I don't have much complaints, except I have to clean them too because the rain kind of messed them up. Those are my cucumbers. I don't really have to say anything. You can see they're doing just fine. And right next to the cucumbers are my okras, and they're growing fine as well. I don't see anything wrong with them, so that's pretty good. I wish I could say the same for the lettuce that are right here, but I think I only see 2 seeds that actually grew right over here. There's one, and there's the other one. That's it. That's about it. But as for my peas, yeah, they're growing just fine. The spinach next to the peas are doing great as well. Yeah, they're looking good. And then come the onions. Yeah, the rain messed them up as well. Yeah, I have to make sure I clean them so they don't die. Next to the onions are the bunching onions. Same thing there too. I have to kind of clean them up a little bit. Then next are my sweet peppers, and yeah, that's another bummer. I don't see much that actually grow. I think there's a little one right there, and down there. Yeah, there's not much when it comes to the sweet peppers. And for the last line, I have my watermelons. Uh, they are growing fine as well. No complaints at all. Yeah, all in all, I think I'm doing okay. It's my first time, so I'm still learning. Thank you for everybody who have given me advice through the comments. Please continue to do so. I really appreciate all the comments and all the advices that I'm getting. So please like the video, share it, comment, subscribe, and next week I will be updating you on how the garden is actually going. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.